right and the person is right. Okay, let's see. That fate there shows that the person that is on your mind, the person you're involved with, is the right person. Okay, so this is marriage material. That's when a person is looking long term, wants to stay in this for good and commit fully. Also got the King of Swords there, so those two together would mean that this is a very deep connection, and it's also very long term. So they're excellent, really, to see at the beginning of that read. It just shows it's been a long time coming. So you maybe have been drained, waiting on this, felt alone, and thought, when is it my time? Well, it's now. This is it. It's coming in quick, or there's going to be a quick change if you're already involved with this person, and it's time to celebrate. The strength of this connection is quite crazy. So if you're feeling these intense feelings and you're thinking, oh my God, is it just me? It's not. It's on both sides. Very much a fated union. But like I said, it's been very overwhelming and very draining at times. So know that it's been worth it. It will be worth the wait. The love that you're feeling, it's going to be fantastic. You know, it's the happy ever after kind of love. That's the kind of feelings that you get. And also there's lots of lust, so excitement, adventure, you know, spontaneity. They really do see you as a shining star, and your cups are going to be overflowing. So this is really, really good for people who are wondering if they're going to step to the next level, or if you're waiting for somebody new coming in. Like I said, the timing is perfect. So this is Mr. Right, finally, or Mrs. Right. I do feel as though this person's also been waiting on something. July being significant. I think that you've both been searching for the right person, or both been searching for the right moment to kind of move forward. Chemistry is amazing. Just seeing there the fire signs, so Leo, Sagittarius and Aries. Could be you, could be them. This person is your wish granted. Okay, so the chemistry being there, the attraction, the long term, this is basically everything you want in a relationship. And they're asking you to just live in the moment. Just go with the flow when this comes in. Don't have expectations, don't have kind of rules. Yes, have boundaries, but just go with the flow and enjoy it. Enjoy the now, because in the past there's been a lot of like unsatisfied needs and desires and wants. That's all about to change. This person is going to change all of that. For some of you, it could be somebody returning. Okay, for some of you, it could be someone brand new. It's interesting actually, because the person returning here has got wolf in sheep's clothing. So be careful, because if you're about to start something new with a new person and someone from the past tries to come in, don't be tricked, okay? Because you're about to be nurtured and you don't want to fall into a trap. Oh gosh, this is a bit scary. You don't want to fall into a trap with that. I'll just read these that I've dropped, because it shows you've grounded yourself, you've managed to get yourself in a good spot. You do not want to be confused with who is really interested in you. So this is interesting. You might have two possible suitors that come in, one that you know and a new one, or it might just be that when you meet the new one, you kind of feel something for the past and wonder whether you're making the right move. If you want the real deal, move forward with the new person. Or if you're just involved with one person, it's time to move forward. Trust in the divine with this, because it looks really positive. Yeah, we've definitely got something here, a little bit sneaky, but it could just be the final test. So you make sure that you choose the correct thing. But it's definitely love, and it's definitely been a long time coming, and it's definitely going to be very happy. But you will be faced with a decision, okay? So make sure that you choose the right path.